TuffMesh Aluminium. It has been the AGP has been it's our biggest selling product. It is extra heavy, extra strong. This is made from 0.7 aluminium. It is quite heavy and quite strong. It's great for extra strength when you've got to go wider, and you need to go wider in valleys and areas which need to span this product. I highly recommend this product as being the best expanded aluminium that you can get your hands on. It's our Akzo Nobel D1010 powder coating, which we warrant with this product for 20 years. In recent years, Ember Guard has become a real talking point. An Ember Guard generally refers to a product that is going to protect a house against embers. So what we developed was a couple of different variations of an Ember Guard, which is just a guard that has a hole size of less than 2 millimeters in size. Our TuffMesh Ember has been developed ourselves, and for minimum hole size, which is down to 1.6 mil aperture, with a directional hole and a trough that allows the water to completely filter the material. But that is a product that can be used, very, very widely on all types of roofs, and it can definitely offer support when an ember attack is possible. It is now recognised by the authorities that Ember Guards are mandatory in some states. We know that with new builds, the Ember Guards are really, they're pushed because they know how they can support a home with the areas around the roof that can allow an ember to get in underneath the roof to ignite anything around the house. So it is very widely known that a quality system and a quality Ember Guard will protect the home better than if you don't, because it's definitely known that that's an area where the house needs to be protected against embers.